It is temporary relief for former Treasury Cabinet Secretary Rotich, former Principal Secretary Kamau Thuge, alongside 28 other suspects charged in the Arror-Kimwarer dam scandal after the Magistrate Court adjourned their case for 30 days. Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti ruled that a High Court order obtained by one of the suspects suspending his prosecution affected all the accused persons. Ogoti said the case will now be mentioned after the 30 days to confirm the status of the High Court case.
In staying prosecution against accused 27 effectively means even if the court was to proceed, then count 1 would also be suspended. In order to put everything in perspective, the matter will be given 30 days in order for the DPP to report back on the two issues, after which the matter will proceed for pre-trial.
In his application before the High Court, Richard Malebe is challenging the nature of his arrest, accusing arresting officers of violating his rights, a move that has now prompted the High Court to suspend criminal proceedings against him.
The interested party.
Meanwhile, Nairobi County Deputy Governor nominee Ann Kananu Mwenda now want the court to revisit the orders stopping the County Assembly from vetting her. Appearing before Justice Mumbi Ngugi, Kananu, through her lawyers, argued that in accordance with the constitutional timeline, her nomination expires on 5th of March this year, whereas the court ordered that the matter be mentioned on 10th March. Kananu want the court to set aside the orders to allow for the County Assembly to exercise its legislative function to vet her for the position of Nairobi Deputy Governor. Finally, drama unfolded at the High Court after one of the suspects in the NYS scandal created a scene at the High Court, accusing the prosecution of subjecting her and her family to untold suffering. Phyllis Njeri-Ngirita is accusing the prosecution and the Assets Recovery Agency of frustrating her efforts in seeking access to her bank account at KCB, in which she seeks school fees for her child.
Wamekuwa wakitutesa miaka mbili tumeteseka. Mimi leo nimeamka saa 11 kuja hapa kotini. Niko na mtoto anasoma, mtoto aliwacha shule. Mtoto sasa ameelekea kuwa chukura. Mimi huwa najifanyia pesa zangu. Pesa zangu zote ziko NYS, ziko paid in bills. Na mimi nimerequest tu wanifungulie tu account na nitu pesa kwa kukopa. Wamekataa kufungua hiyo account.
According to her lawyer, Njeri had applied to be allowed to withdraw 800,000 shillings to be used in paying her son's school fees at Pembroke House School in Gilgil. Njeri claims that the money, which has been frozen, has no bearing with the NYS case and was genuinely borrowed from a loaning entity. Justice Mumbi Ngugi had directed that the case be heard on February 10, 2020, but the Asset Recovery sought leave to file fresh affidavits. Ben Chumba, reporting for Scales of Justice.